everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a video for you. This is take two. Take two. This was all bundled up nicely, and I recorded it and realized that my microphone was dead and I had no volume. So, take two. Here we go. Let's see how it goes this time. All right. Coodeals. I got to pick out some things from Coodeals. Thank you so much, Allie, over at Coodeals. Remember, Allie started his own business over at Coodeals. He makes all these paintings. As you order it, they make it. They print it, they get the drills ready, package it up for you. Okay, so let's look at what we have. First of all, we have a couple of free gifts here. I mean, are we ready for this time of year? Ho, 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 right? So we have this little Santa hat. That's one of the gifts. I have a couple other gifts here as well. This is a gift. This is release papers. Okay. I think these would be the perfect size. If I cut them in half, that's about the size release paper I like to work with. Nice little release papers. Okay. And then there is this, which is the entire DMC number system on little stickers. So if you're one of those people that likes to save your drills, want to number baggies or whatnot, this would come in wonderfully handy, wouldn't it? Wonderfully handy. So there's that. So thank you for the free gift. Okay. All right. This is what the toolkit looks like. It's a little bit nicer toolkit in the fact that you get some tweezers in there, a couple baggies. Okay. So that's your basic toolkit. All right. Let's roll with this. We're going to do this completely different than we did last time, right? Sorry for the noise. Yes, we are. We're doing it completely different. All right. I like that they come in the individual bags like this because then you can just roll them back up, put them right back in there, and they keep nice and neat and clean, and roll your picture out so that you can see what's in your bag. There's another toolkit. Okay. Drills, individually bagged. I love that. Okay. Here's the first one. Love this one. Okay. Love it. Love it, love it. How cute is that? Right? Isn't that adorable? I had these all nice and flat earlier, you know. We did the whole pull the plastic back thing, lay the plastic down so we don't have any wrinkles causing it to look weird. But it's just a little gnome, and he's got some cookies over here. I'm certain he's going to dunk that in his hot cocoa. Peppermint, candies. Got some marshmallows in his cocoa. He's ready. He is ready for winter. I loved the plaid down here. And this is one of those paintings. I would not drill this part on the outer edges. It's just going to be white. And I would just cut around and cut it out. Mount this on a pretty piece of paper. And I believe it will fit in a 12 by 12 frame perfectly. So let's see. Let me show you. Let's measure from here to here. It's, look, 12 inches. So this will fit right in a frame, okay? And then you'll get to see your pretty paper on the outside. It's a 35 by 35 centimeter. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that is exactly the measurements. Nope, 30 by 30. I was wrong. Okay. All right, so super cute, right? I believe that's supposed to say hot cocoa. I don't think you're going to be able to read hot cocoa there. Choice is up to you. You could make it hot cocoa very easily. Just make a C here and an O and a C and an O. I mean, you could do it. You could cover it up. You could do whatever you want to do with it. I just don't know how that's going to turn out. But isn't it cute? Super cute. All right, let's show you what comes in a bag. First of all, let me show you the top. It has your name on it. Mindy Dipple. This is painting number 2. Coodeals, right? Got a legend over here with all of our symbols on it. 30 colors. And Coodeals always gives you an inventory sheet, which I find quite handy. So you have an inventory sheet, has your image on it, and then you can cut this out and run it through a Xyron sticker maker so that you'll have labels to put on your containers. So here's all of our symbols. Here's the DMC number, the quantity, and this is how many bags. I believe it's actually ounces or grams or something. Oh, that was the end of my inventory. No, here it is. There we go. 30 colors. All right. So there you go. I like that is a feature that they provide with every painting. So Here's our colors of our drills. Lots of reds, burgundies, pinks, right? Pinks, more pinks. We got some greens and tans in there. What else do we have? Well, let's see. Here's more greens and browns and greens, tan. Here's that white, which I won't use much of because I'm not going to do those corners. Look at the pretty colors, right? Super pretty. Okay, bear with me. I'm just going to stuff these back in the bag so they don't get mixed up with the other paintings when I get them out. Okay? Thank you. I can put my inventory sheet right back in there. Okay, so that's the first one that I got. All right, I'll set him off to the side. I'll put him in his bag later. All right, let's switch holidays. Let's switch gears completely. Here we go. What do we have in this one? We have fall, a fall painting. Again, it's the same size, a 35 by 35. So I'll tell you the same thing that I did before. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Cut it out, put it on paper, put it in a 12 by 12 frame. It's done. Bada bing, bada boom. It's just a pumpkin. It's got this stained glass effect around it. And then you got this nice border all the way around. I thought it was super pretty, super, super pretty, right? If we could have less glare, you could see a little bit more of the detail in the painting. There, how's that? That's looking good, isn't it? There, what do you think? I like it. Anything stained glass, I love, love, love the stained glass stuff. So I'm all about it. Here's our inventory sheet. Like I said, it's the same size. This one has 27 colors. Our symbols, letters, and numbers. This one's all letters and numbers. All right, let's look at what colors we have. We got some really pretty colors for this one, okay? Dark, tans, yellows. There's blue because we do have some blue over here and over there. It's like the sky poking through. Look at the oranges. Aren't they pretty? Oh, look, do you see that these are in order? Oh, man, I had them all in order. You know, that's the fun of doing this. You make a mess, and then you get to put it all back together. Yeah. Okay. How about a red? Pretty red. Okay. Maroon. White for the background. Brown, gray. More browns. More blues. Pretty colors. Just what you would expect. Okay. Let me put these back in here. Like I said, I don't want to get them all mixed up. They're not in order anymore. And I'm not going to put them in order. I'm just not in the mood to put them in order. I remember the day when I would take every bag and I would check it off on my inventory sheet, make sure I had every single thing I was supposed to have. I don't do that anymore. I just don't do that anymore. Does it happen once in a while that you might be missing something? Sure. But, you know, so many of us now have spare drills. These are all rounds, by the way. I tend to not get squares. At least from, you know, the budget-friendly companies. This one is pretty cool. Of course, I've already seen it, you know, because I recorded this once already. But this one grabbed my attention. I believe he posted it on Instagram, or they posted it on Instagram. And I fell in love with it when I saw it on Instagram. And I was like, yes, please, I need this one in my life. Okay, ready? It's narrow and skinny. Hang on. You can't see it with the wrinkles in it. Give me a second to take out some wrinkles. It's super pretty. This one has so many colors in it. And you know me, I love dragonflies. Love, love, love dragonflies. Have I done a dragonfly painting? I don't even know. I probably had a dragonfly in a painting, you know, like a small one. I don't think I've done a specific dragonfly painting, but look at it. Look at it, right? Okay, hang on. There. No? There. That looks good. Look at it. How pretty it is. These two dragonflies and all those colors. It's kind of an abstract, but you can see all the flowers over here. It's super pretty. I love this one. Love it. Look. Drill field? What do you think? Everything looks perfectly clear, doesn't it? Easy to read. I love it. Look at this dragonfly. He's so cool. I love him. Right? And then we move up to the oranges and pinks up here at the top. So blues and greens down here. Purple into pinks and oranges and yellows at the top. Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. You know it's gorgeous. Okay. Let's look at the drills for that one. Show you what we have. I'm not even going to take the inventory sheet out. There's no reason to. You've seen an inventory sheet. You know what they look like. Okay. This is like a sage green. Some taupe colors. Dark blue. Black. Burgundy. Yellow. What do we got there? $9.39. One of my favorite dark colors. Brings back such fond memories. Oh, that painting I did with all those dark colors. Pinks, blues, purples, all the pretty colors. I got all the pretty colors together. All the pretty colors. All the pretty colors are hanging out together at the party. Look at those. Aren't they cool? Love it. Okay, so that is what I have from Coodeals today. I think they have some wonderful things. They do a nice job. Like I said, for printing and packaging each painting as the order comes in, they're pretty good on time. I mean, it's only a few weeks, like 3, maybe 3. So they're actually really good on time. So we got the dragonflies. We're all over the board here, right? We got dragonflies, we got Halloween, and we have, well, it's not necessarily Christmas, but it kind of is, right? Love it. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate your support, and I appreciate everybody that hits the like button, gives me a comment, subscribe, those kinds of things. It really helps, and it helps me to continue being able to show you fantastic things that I find, right? Okay, I will link them below so you can check them out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, other than that, I think I'm done, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.